Hey there, future millionaires. Ever dream of growing your money while you sleep? The stock market is your ticket to building real wealth. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about understanding how companies work, how to spot opportunities, and making smart decisions for your future. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about arming yourself with knowledge. We're diving deep into the stock market, learning the plays, and becoming our own financial experts. Forget relying on others for financial advice. This is about taking control, understanding the game, and calling the shots yourself. It's about having the confidence to make your own decisions and build the future you deserve. Are you ready to take charge? Let's do this. Think of the stock market like a giant puzzle. To solve it, you need the right pieces. We're breaking down this puzzle into bite-sized modules. Each one gives you a key tool for your trading toolkit. We'll learn how to read a company's financial statements. That's like checking their report card. We'll dive into charts and graphs, learning how to spot trends and patterns. That's technical analysis. And we'll explore how big events like elections or natural disasters can impact the market. That's understanding market sentiment. Each module builds on the last, giving you a complete picture of the market. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the exciting world of trading. Here's the thing. Blindly following the crowd in the stock market is like driving with your eyes closed. Dangerous. To succeed, you need your own point of view or POV. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a car just because your neighbor did, right? You do your research, compare models, and find the best fit for you. The same goes for stocks. Developing your POV means taking all the information you've learned, analyzing it, and forming your own conclusions. It's about understanding why you're buying or selling a particular stock. Don't be a sheep. Be a wolf on Wall Street, informed, decisive, and in control. So you've got your POV, now what? Time to put that knowledge into action. There are tons of ways to trade, from short-term day trading to long-term investing. Day trading is like a sprint, fast-paced and risky. You're looking for quick price movements, buying and selling within a single day. Long-term investing is more like a marathon. You're in it for the long haul, holding on to stocks for years to see steady growth. The key is to choose the approach that matches your risk tolerance and time commitment. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding what works best for you. This is just the beginning, folks. Keep learning, keep exploring, and get ready to master the stock market.